squeezed it and to cover the gap. Many you genuine Baltia Bear and Petia Bear. This is Guy no work you can work to support our staff in the sensitive department. A word of Saja reporting Mary. Everyone I'm in your booking for theatre award per year because our staff petty on the ground. The anesthetists, there is no anesthetist on the ground. And these are the diplomas who give anesthesia in the theatre. Do they have any anesthesia officer who has a degree? And let them tell us. That's an example. So, covering badly in public, right, Cabo than I did. One with the university, Johnny, one who give 2 diploma, you think one, to diploma in the interns, get some lecturers and teaching assistants who are health workers to cover the gap. But these interns and students are not supposed to work alone because interns come to perfect. We don't need to perfect and they must work under supervision. Now, I'm not supervising it before. Kado kita kuni this diploma holders in the konjipe. Ngomi guri kutu. Ana arek one check running hospital. Uno this degree holders tipe. Kado teri kitu ko kubati teri.
Adong chime kina wudi timani. Icha mora romokello lungu committee me wara PGMO University. Iti uno atera mejo la duoge me ngwa me wudi timani bodo tera me Lira University.
We are very ready. Very ready because one or two we are within the law, and our legal team nationally, at the center and locally are ready.
Because I do not terra including na Hariemo, the doctor.
Na Karinu Joriama Chani, we are the kicking anyone put Ulu boutique, 1 year. Now, coming to your question, engagement with it, one award mobile, I don't know whether you have a copy, from the officer, University Secretary, Ogwal Chima War Macha. After our press briefing, I don't know, about Chim later, and they're going to put out on what University and Mogambalo. But only Takuba still need one for following on for the due process. Everyone could become one following the due process. And I will know Chim, and my vice chancellor inviting one. No meeting get it. Then after this talk show in the afternoon, one would meeting here. So blackmailing us in public is wrong. Let them tell the truth. The people are covering
blackmailing.
And unfortunately, Kongipe can. One we have all the documents. We have carried everything.
With their signature.
With their signature. We have been exchanging letters for the last 2-3 years. About this same salary.
Titi ignora tia timere a dita caro gemone kikena me new ame luak pengio ame otero keru titi metikunu.
Atamu neni ko what Phyllis ko allowances. You see, there's a lot of discrimination. I must tell you. Much as I paid evidence, the secretaries who sit under near our bosses get lunch allowances, plus some office attendants. You can ask them. They tell us because they are our members. But when a health worker, I'm a mere treating, I'm a mere yomika teach, I'm a mere handling, we want lunch allowance. These people turn down. So one or two company give us our right for what? Pay. Okay. We are aware the university is growing. In the future they may plan for accommodation. Staff quarters. If for now they cannot, we even requested for the bus. 3 years ago. I think that was before COVID. We requested for transport and they gave us a bus and they told us collect money and fuel.
I don't you mean?
Above
the management of the university, the university council. You temo you reduce menu kwanye board management. You temo reaching out both the university council may team addressing because the council is bigger than the management.
Yes, and then you attack very company one of law procedure issue. Which all about what you was secretary. Made him aware of this.